So 11, differentiate each of the following with respect to x. So we see here, this one is the one with x, multiply with something with x. So we have to do product rule. So product rule, dy over dx is equal to u dv over dx plus v du over dx. That means to find this one, you need to find what is dv over dx and what is du over dx. So a, 4x times 2x minus 1 to the power of 5. So the front here is u, the back here is v. So du over dx is equal to, when you differentiate 4x, you get 4. dv over dx. When you differentiate this one, you see here, the bracket with power. We bring the power forward, so you get 5. So 2x minus 1. And then this one would be power minus 1. And then we differentiate the one inside the bracket, 2x minus 1. So 5, 2x minus 1 to the power of 4. When you differentiate this, you get 2. So you see, differentiate 2x, you get 2. Differentiate negative 1, you get 0. So you only have 2. So this one is 10. 2x minus 1 to the power of 4. So we see here, dy over dx is equal to u is 4x, times dv over dx. So dv over dx is 10 times 2x minus 1 to the power of 4 plus v. So our v is 2x minus 1 to the power of 5 du over dx is equal to 4. So here we get 4x times 10, we get 40x. So this one is 2x minus 1 to the power. So plus this one is 4. So multiply with 4, I just bring the 4 forward. So here in this case, to combine, we can factorize because we have the same 2x minus 1 and 2x minus 1. So we see here 4, power of 4 and power and 5. So we can take the power of 4 out. So we see here 2x minus 1, power of 4 out. So we see here 40x and 4, we can also factorize 4. Or you can factorize later also, okay. So this one, I just want to factorize later. So here, when you take out 2x minus 1 to the power of 4, so you are left with 2x minus 1. See? So here you get 2x minus 1 to the power of 4. So 40x, 4 times 2x, you get 8x minus 4. So here you get 2x minus 1 power of 4. So 40x plus 8x, you get 48x minus 4. So you see you can factorize 4 out. You can factorize it earlier. So 2x minus 1 power of 4. When you factorize 4, 48 divided by 4, you get 12x minus 1. So B, so we have x4 times 3x plus 1. This one is the power of 7. So we know this one is u and this one is v. So du over dx is equal to, so we bring the power forward, you get 4. And then we minus the power with 1. 4 minus 1, you get 3. So this one dv over dx is equal to, so you have power of 7. You bring forward, you get 7. 3x plus 1. So 7 minus 1, you get 6. And then you differentiate inside the bracket. So here you get 7, 3x plus 1, 6. After you differentiate, you get 3. So you get 21, 3x plus 1, power of 6. So since you have u, v, du over dx and dv over dx, you can key in inside the formula. You can directly write the formula, key in apa. So it's equal to, u is x4 dv over dx, where is dv over dx is this one, 21, 3x plus 1, power of 6, plus v is equal to, where is v? V is equal to 3x plus 1, power of 7, du over dx is equal to 4x cubed. So which is equal to, so here you get 21 x4, 3x plus 1, power of 6, plus 4x3, 3x plus 1, 7. So you factorize what you can. So this one is 21 and 4. You cannot factorize, right? So, but you can take out x3 out. x4 and x3, you can take x3 out. And then here you see power of 6 and power of 7. So you can take power of 6 out. Then we take out what is left. When you take out x3 here, x to the power of 3 here, x cubed, you get 21x. Okay, and then this one plus, so for x cubed, you take out x cubed, so you are left with 4, and this one, power of 7, when you take out power of 6, you are left with power of 1, so here you get x cubed 3x plus 6 power of 6. So here when you expand 21x plus 4 times 3x, you get 12x, 4 times 1, you get 4. So x cubed 3x plus 6 to the power of 6. So 21 plus 12, you get 33x and then plus 4. So dy over dx is equal to, so usually we bring this one forward. So x cubed, that the one with the power here at the back. So 33x plus 4. So 3x plus 6 to the power of 6. So C, so x times third, x plus 3. So this one is U and this one is V. So we don't want the third. So this one x times x plus 3 power of half. So this one is U, this one is V. So du over dx is equal to, differentiate x, you get 1. So dv over dx, when you differentiate this, you bring the power forward, x plus 3, and then you minus the power with 1. And then you see you differentiate what is inside the bracket, which is equal to, so this one is half x plus 3, half minus 1, negative half. So you see here, this one is x plus 3. When you differentiate x, you get 1. And when you differentiate this, you get 0. So just 1. So you get, okay, so 1 over 2. You bring the power down, you get x plus 3 half, which is equal to 1 over 2 third x plus 3. Now you have du over dx, you have dv over dx. So dy over dx is equal to, so you take u, where is u? U is x. dv over dx is this one, 1 over 2 third x plus 3. So plus v, our v is this one, x plus 3, so you see third. And then du over dx, so du over dx is 1. So we have denominator here. To combine, we must make the denominator equal. So for the second one, I multiply with 2 over third x plus 3, 2 third x plus 3. So here I get x times 1 is x plus, so here x plus 3 times x plus 3 you get, and this one is 2, right? 2 x plus 3 square over 2 third x plus 3. So here you see here third and square can be cut off. So here x plus 2 times x is 2x, 2 times 3 is 6, divided by 2 over third x plus 3. 2x plus 2x, you get 3x plus 6 divided by 2 third x plus 3. Get 3 out, so 3x plus 2 divided by 2 third x plus 3. So d x plus 7 power of 5, x minus 5 power of 3. So this one is u, this one is v. So du over dx is equal to, so you bring the power forward, x plus 7. After you bring forward, then you minus the power with 1. So 5 minus 1, or you can directly write 4. So d over dx, then you differentiate what is inside. So here you get 5 x plus 7 power of 4. And you see when you differentiate this, you get 1. So here you get 5 x plus 7 power of 4. So dv over dx is equal to, so when you differentiate this one, x minus 5 to the power of 3, you bring the power forward, x minus 5, so 3 minus 2 is 3 minus 1 is 2. And then you differentiate what is inside the bracket. So here you get 3x minus 5 power of 2. So this one you get 1. So you get 3x minus 5 power of 2. Now you can substitute. So dy over dx is equal to, so u here is this one, x plus 7 power of 5. So dv over dx is this one, 3 times x minus 5 power of 2 plus v. So v is, where is v? V is x minus 5 power of 3. And then du over dx is equal to 5 times x plus 7 power of 4. So we see here, okay, just put it here so that we can see 5 x minus 5 power of 2. And then we have 5 here. So x minus 5, 3, x plus 7 to the power of. So we factorize what we can. So we see here from the front one we have x plus 7, x plus 7. So power 5, power of 4. So we can take out the power of 4, right? And this one we have x minus 5, x minus 5, power of 2 and power of 3. So we can take out power of 2 out. So what is left is, so for the first one, when we take out x plus 7 power of 4, so 3 is not taken out, it's not factorized, right? So when we take out power of 4, we are left with power of 1. So x plus 7. So here power of 2 we take out, so there's no x minus 5. So for the second one, plus 5 is not taken out, so we write back. And then x minus 5, we take out x minus 5 power of 2. So this one is power of 3, so we are left with power of 1. And then x plus 7 power of 4 is taken out, so we only have this. So here we get x plus 7 power of 4, x minus 5 power of 2. So inside the bracket, 3 times x you get 3x. 3 times 7 you get 21. 5 times x you get plus 5x. 5 times negative 5 you get negative 25. So here you get x plus 7 power of 4, x minus 5 power of 2. So 3x plus 5x you get 8x. 21 minus 25 you get negative 4. So you see here you can factorize 4 out. So here I just bring it forward, I factorize 4, and then I left with 8x divided by 4, we get 2x, negative 4, divided by 4, we get negative 1. So here x plus 7 power of 4, x minus 5 power of 2. So E, we can see this is division, so we have to use quotient rule, where when we have division is equal to, so here will be v du over dx minus u dv over dx divided by v squared. So same like before, we have to find what is uv du over dx and dv over dx. So E, 1 minus third x over 1 plus third x. So 1 minus x to the power of half divided by 1 plus x to the power of half. This is u and this one is v. So here du over dx is equal to, when you differentiate 1 you get 0. When you differentiate x to the power of negative x to the power of half, you bring the power forward. So you get negative half x, and then you minus the power with 1. So half minus 1, you get negative half x negative half. So you need to be, the power needs to be positive. So negative 1 over 2 x half, which is equal to negative 1 over 2 third x. Okay. So dv over dx is equal to, so you see here, when you differentiate 1, you get 0. When you differentiate positive x power of half, so you bring the power forward, you get half. So this one is x. So and then the power minus 1. So here you get half x negative half. So you need to bring the power down. So same 2x half, which is equal to 1 over 2 third x. So you see this one is negative, this one is positive. So now we can substitute. So dy over dx is equal to v. V is this one, the below one, 1 plus third x, times du over dx is this one, negative 1 over 2 third x. Okay, minus u is 1 minus third x. dv over dx is 1 over 2 third x. So divide by, so you see v square. So v is here. So 1 plus third x square. So we see here, this one is 2 over x, this one is 2 over x. So we can combine. So here we see here, this one is negative. So negative 1 plus third x minus, so this one is 1 minus third x divided by 2 third x divided by 1 plus third x square. So this one you see negative 1 minus third x minus 1, and this one is negative times negative third x, you get positive third x. So this one will be down. So 2 third x times 1 plus third x square. So here negative third x plus third x, you get 0. Negative 1 minus 1, you get negative 2 divided by 2 third x 1 plus third x square. So we see here 2 and 2, you can get 1. So which is equal to negative 1 divided by third x 1 plus third x square. So x divided by third 4x plus 1. So here x is equal to 4x plus 1 power of half. So this one is u, this one is v. So du over dx is equal to, so when you differentiate x, you get 1. So dv over dx is equal to, when you differentiate this one, the bracket with power, you bring the power forward, so half 4x plus 1, and then you minus the power with 1, so half minus 1. After that, you differentiate inside the bracket. So here you get half. So 4x plus 1, half minus 1 is negative half. So here when you differentiate 4x plus 1, differentiate 4x, you get 4. Differentiate 1, you get 0. So 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. So half times 4, you get 2. So here 2 times 4x plus 1 power of negative half. So we need to bring the power down. So this one would be 4x plus 1 power of 1 over 2, which is 2 third 4x plus 1. So here dy over dx is equal to, so v is equal to this one, third 4x plus 1. Du over dx is equal to 1 minus u is equal to x. dv over dx is this one, 2 over third 4x plus 1 divided by v square. So where is v? So v is this one. So third 4x plus 1 which is equal to, so you see this one is over denominator, right? So when we want to combine, we need to make the denominator equal. So this one you also need to multiply with third 4x plus 1 over third 4x plus 1. So this one and this one is equal, as you can see. So when we multiply, you get 4x plus 1 square. So minus x times 2 is 2x. So since the denominator is equal now, so this one would be third 4x plus 1 divide by, so this one is, so you see here third and square can be cut off, so you get 4x plus 1. So here dy over dx is equal to, so third and square can be cut off, so you get 4x plus 1 minus 2x divided by, so when this one, when we have fraction divided by something, so this one will go down, so you get 4x plus 1, 4x plus 1. So here 4x minus 2x, you get 2x plus 1. So you see here this one and this one is similar, so we can multiply. So this one is 4x plus 1 power of half. This one is 4x plus 1 power of 1 actually, right? So 2x plus 1. So when the base is equal, so you just add up their power when we multiply. So here 4x plus 1, half plus 1, you get 3 over 2, which is equal to 2x plus 1. So divide by, so 3 over 2. So you see here over 2 means third. So 4x, this one is plus 1 power of 3. So G 1 over x squared plus 2x plus 7. So this one is U and this one is V. So du over dx is equal to, when we differentiate 1, we get 0. So dv over dx is equal to, when we differentiate this one, so differentiate x squared, you get 2x. Differentiate 2x, you get 2. And differentiate 7, you get 0. So now we can put it inside formula. So v is equal to x squared plus 2x plus 7 du over dx is 0 minus u is equal to 1 dv over dx is 2x plus 2 divided by v squared. So v squared, you get x squared plus 2x plus 7 squared. So multiply with 0, you get 0. So negative 1 times 2x, you get negative 2x. Negative 1 times 2, you get negative 2. This one, x squared plus 2x plus 7 power of 2. So negative, you can take out negative 2 out, right? Negative 2. So x plus 1, x squared plus 2x plus 7 power of 2. So h 1 minus 2x cubed divided by x minus 1. So this one is u and this one is v. So du over dx is equal to, when you differentiate negative 2x cubed, so we bring this one, 3 times negative 2, you get negative 6. And then you minus the power with 1. So 3 minus 1, you get negative 6x squared. So here dv over dx, when you differentiate x, you get 1. Differentiate negative 1, you get 0. So just 1. So dy over dx is equal to v x minus 1 du over dx is negative 6x squared minus u is equal to 1 minus 2x cubed dv over dx is equal to 1. So divided by, so v square is equal to, v is x minus 1 square. So here x times negative 6x square, you get negative 6x cubed. Negative 1 times negative 6x square, you get positive x square. So negative times 1, you get negative 1. Negative times negative 2x cubed, you get positive 2x cubed divided by x minus 1 square. Negative 6x cubed plus 2x cubed, we get negative 4x cubed. So plus 6x squared minus 1 divided by x minus 1 square. So if you don't want front one to be negative, you can just bring 6x squared forward, minus 4x cubed minus 1 divided by x minus 1 power of 2.